Welcome to your lesson for Thursday, April the 30th. What I had to do was I taught lesson, I pre-recorded lesson 90 or 100. Was it 100? Yeah, lesson 100. And I forgot to show you instructions on how to cut out the pyramids for today's lesson. So if you have today's lesson, go ahead and take it out. You have 3 of these, so you're gonna have to do all this before the lesson, okay? Lesson activity 43 here that you see on top. I already cut this out. Okay, you're gonna cut the entire shape. This is what you're gonna cut out, this shape. You're gonna cut this one out next, but I've already cut that, the pieces to that, and this is what it looks like after I'm done cutting it out, okay? I wanna show you step by step on how to do this, okay? The gray panels here should not be cut out, okay? Those should be a part of this. So for each shape that you see on lesson 43, 44, and 45, you're gonna make a little pyramid, or not pyramid, you're gonna make shapes, prisms. This is one finished one for tomorrow's lesson, okay? By the way, ignore my talking about tomorrow's lesson because I was doing the lesson ahead. Anyways, it doesn't matter, but what you need to do is you're gonna form these, and they're really cool and actually really awesome to make, but you wanna do this before the lesson so you can answer the questions for lesson practice, which we kind of did together, okay? But before we do, go ahead and cut these out for each prism that you have here. I've already cut out just the cube, the 1-inch cube prism, and I'm gonna show you how to do this, okay? If you have tape, make sure you have scissors. If you have tape at home, do this with me, or glue at home. I'd rather use tape than glue. It works a lot better, but if you don't have tape, go ahead and use glue to put these together. So I just brought these up together. I folded the crease there, the dotted crease up, and then what I did here, now I have this, and I'm gonna put these, the gray parts, I'm gonna hide the gray part there, and tape each side together, okay? I'm gonna tape each side together. So watch as I do this. I need to get closer here. Okay, and there goes one side. All right, there is one side. And I'm gonna tape the other side now. Again, you can glue this. Just whatever you would want to do. Okay, now I have one side done. Okay, now I have to work on this side over here. And I'm gonna tape this side next. So you're forming like a little cube box. I think you're gonna like this. I'm liking this. And I'm not the student, I'm the teacher. All right, this will be a fun activity while you're being quarantined there at home. All right, got a third side done. I'm making a cute little box. So cute. Sorry, boys. It's cute for the girls, not for the boys, right? All right. So that's it. I have all my sides taped together. Okay, do you see that? All right, now I just have to tape the top and close it. And look at that, I just gotta close it. I don't know why I find this so fun, all right? Maybe because we've been quarantined and I haven't seen y'all. All right. And voila, look at that. We just formed a cube little box. So now I have 2 shapes. Ta-da! Guess who made those? I did, and guess who's gonna be able to make them themselves? You will, alrighty? So, and you can play with these after you're done. You don't have to necessarily just use them for the lesson today, but I just thought it would be fun for you to see those, okay? And not only fun, it's gonna help you answer the questions for today's lesson. So go ahead and cut that out. Remember the gray sides, these gray sides are the ones that you're gonna fold. You're not gonna cut them out. You're gonna fold them because those are gonna go inside. The gray parts are what's inside. You don't see any gray parts out here. Okay, because they're already inside. Those kind of help you to keep the edges together, okay? And that's it. So you're gonna do this one. So you're gonna have, in total, you're gonna have the 1-inch cube by the end of this, but when you're done cutting this out, look how it looks similar to each other, okay? And then you're gonna have your rectangular one here, the rectangular prism, okay? And then you will have the triangular prism here, you'll have another triangular prism, and then you're gonna have the last cube pattern, which is much like this one. Whoop, I just dropped it. Okay, much like the one I just dropped right now, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, but please cut these out. And part 2, I did ask you to cut them out, but if you already have them cut out for the lesson, I think that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun activity to get your hands on and form something yourself, and you'll be able to use them for the lesson, alrighty? So I love y'all, I miss you all. Watch part 2 to answer the questions here for lesson practice, okay? We did answer a lot of the questions here together for lesson practice, but make sure you watch the video, okay? Watch part 2, thank you, bye.